sinasabi niya. Hindi ba? Yun ang sinasabi niya. So, let it be. But remember, we have a process in our justice system that we have to follow. And the police is the one mandated to serve the warrant of arrest. So yun ang ginagawa ng kapulisan. Kaya ako yung nananawagan na lahat naman tayo magkakapatid eh. We should respect each other's belief, no? But of course, we have a process to follow. And that's what the police are doing.
Sir, last na lang, sir. May basbas po ba ito ng Presidente?
Well, wala pong kinalaman maski sino rito. This is purely a police operation. No? Ako, I only supervise, but with reference to operations, etc., it's purely a police one. And it is based on intelligence report, on compiled intelligence. That is why they have to do it. Sabi ko nga, ano ba nangyari ito? Kasi ako naman, I give autonomy to the police. If they feel hindi ako dapat mangharang or what, kasi they know better than me. If they feel there is adequate intelligence report, so be it. If they feel they have to serve it now or tomorrow, what, so be it. No? Ayoko maging obstructionist eh. So I give them that much leeway, and according to their compiled intelligence report, talagang nandoon nga talaga, no? But you know, it's more or less 30 hectares. Ang laki nun ha. 30 hectares is huge, na marami kang mga pupuntahan na mga gusali na allegedly may mga hidden passageways, may mga nakatago mga kung ano-ano. So isa-isahin mo yan. Just imagine that. Not mentioning the fact na baka palapit ka na, umikot na naman sa iba. So, ganong ka-tedious ito, ganong kahirap nito. No? So, kaya nga ako'y nananawagan na sana sa ating mga kababayan dito, sana maunawaan naman nila ang trabaho ng kapulisan dito, that they really have to search from room to room to room. No? Just bear with them. But what is important is they should follow the law. Walang magbabarel, walang manununtok, no? Walang may barel. Siguro kung may barel dyan, konti lang, isa o maandadala. Nakikita ko sa, anyway, lahat naman nakakita sa video eh, ng mga tao. Kitang-kita naman. I think it's only the head himself, si Torre, no? Siya lang. Other than that, wala na iba. Nasasaktan daw, ewan ko kung what are reports on the ground right now, but they've informed me that there are a lot of policemen hurt, no? But yun lang. Sana bear with us. Wala sana nang mag-obstruct so that we could finish it. The sooner it is, the better for everyone. And of course, ako nananawagan ulit kay Pastor Kibuloy that just surrender para matapos na ito. Okay? Salamat.
Thank you po.